Let me show you how to make this very potent herbal tea for hair growth. This method is tested and trusted. So let's grow our hair, shall we? Trust me, you don't want to miss any part of this video because this will change your hair game. And yes, I said so. Today we're going to be needing a bowl where we're going to be doing everything. I'm going to be using hibiscus flower, yes, the dry one. Hibiscus nourishes your hair, it promotes hair growth, it gives your hair a soft and silky texture. It has antibacterial potency that contributes in maintaining the good health of your hair. It helps prevent dandruff and yeah, many more. And for those who don't know, this is our popular zobo leaf. You need to be aware that due to the color, this can stain your hair. And today we're going to be using rosemary. Yes, rosemary. We make use of this to cook and it's actually very good for the hair. I'm going to be leaving the benefits on the screen. And today we're going to be using cloves. As most of us know, cloves are used for the hair and it's very good for the hair. It contains a high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can grow and strengthen your hair. It is used for protecting your hair from dandruff. It treats dandruff. Next up, I'm going to be adding my hot water. So make sure your water is hot. You transfer your water into the bowl and stir using a spoon. And as I said earlier, it can actually stain your hair. So when you want to apply this, you can put on a black outfit and also stay away from white walls. When it was time for me to apply it, I had to shift from my regular sitting position, and funny enough, it still touched my wall. So please stay away from white walls or something you don't want to get stained. So as I'm doing right now, I'm stirring this mix. Honestly, this actually grows the hair. Before I do anything, I make several research about it. I make detailed research. So this is me bringing this method to you because I've researched on it. My hair is really in need of this goodness. Yeah, I've been changing my hair a lot for the past few months and I want to take out my time right now to take care of my hair using all these hair goods, mix and tea for my hair. Now what I did was to cover it and I left it for, I wouldn't say for 1 hour, honestly I left it for a whole day and went out. So when I got back, I had to continue the tutorial. As you can see, the color is already darker. It's giving healthy hair tea vibe. This is my jar. I'm going to be putting my sieve on top and then I'm going to be straining out the water. So the thing actually stained my background because I used a paper on the table, so it stained it and I had to just clear everywhere. So when you're doing something like this, be sure to do it on a place that can't be stained or a place where if it's stained you can clean it off easily. Now after transferring it into the jar, I'm shaking it very well, for everything to mix up. And yeah, I honestly can't wait to try this. I was so excited I did this. I couldn't wait to try it out. So for this one, you can make use of it as a rinse. So maybe after shampooing your hair, you can apply this and then wash it off. But then for me, I love leaving things in my hair. I don't have energy to go and start washing it off, so I'm leaving it in my hair. Now let me show you how to use it. Hey, so I've been wearing these braids for a while now and I've been using different spray on it. I've used my clove spray and I do apply my shea butter. I do moisturize my hair in this style. That's why it's even looking old. So I went ahead to shake it again and then spray it on my hair. But before then I had to itch because I'm about taking down my braids, but then I wanted to do this, because I want to grow my hair, as I said. So I am spraying it on my hair generously and massaging it into my scalp, letting it get in. And as I said, I've been using different hairspray. I've been moisturizing my hair under my braids so my hair can be growing. I want to tell you something. The thing about hair growth DIYs is actually consistency. You have to be consistent with it. You don't expect to use it only once and not use it again and expect it to work. No, it doesn't work that way. Try to be consistent. It's really not easy to be consistent with these things, but then if you can be, trust me, you're going to see results. As I said, there are 2 ways you can use this. Maybe on the day you're meant to wash your hair, you can just use this and leave it in your hair for a while, then you rinse it off. And also you can actually use this on your hair and leave it on your hair. But then, as I said, it can actually change your hair color. As you can see, it's looking purple, but this was night, and after applying it, I tied up my hair, I slept, I woke up, my hair was okay, it was normal, so it wasn't purple anymore. So this is not really advisable for those wearing maybe blonde hair. If you dyed your hair, it may change the color of your hair, so you need to be aware of that. Please, if you've watched this video to this point, please do subscribe to the channel to join the family. Yes, I'm actually on this journey of hair growth. I want to do more of hair growth stuff. For a while I was doing it on my channel, then I stopped. I focused on hair making, and now I need to grow back my hair because I've not been giving my hair a lot of attention. So this is me trying to make up for days I've not been doing well. So as I go through the journey, you can also go through it with me. And one thing I use are simple ingredients you can just get in random shops around you and mix it up for hair growth. So do join me on this journey by subscribing to the channel. Do let me know in the comment section, are you going to try this out? Come on, these are affordable things. Hibiscus flower costs about 100 naira in Nigerian currency. You can get that. You can get your cloves 100 naira or 200 naira. Get your rosemary 100 naira. And mixing all these together, sis, you're getting something that would grow your hair, that would make your hair thicker, that would grow back your edges. You don't want to miss out on this, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.